We've seen some word problems that look like the first problem here, but not too many. So let's read through this together. Grocery store is offering a sale on bread and soup. Khalil buys 4 cans of soup and 3 loaves of bread for $11.67. Rhonda buys 8 cans of soup and 1 loaf of bread for $12.89. They want you to write a couple of equations, one for each of these people, and then figure out how much each loaf of bread costs and how much each can of soup costs. Now, there's 2 types of systems, kind of word problems that you're going to run into in this class. And one of them, you've got 2 things that have like a starting value and a change. Does this look like a starting value and a change type of problem? It does not look like it to me either. It's not like one person starting out with a certain amount of money and then spending money or saving money. This looks like the second type of problem where you've got 2 categories of things adding up to something. I got breads and I got soups, and they're going to add up to some total amount that I'm going to spend, right? So for each of our people, we're going to be writing an equation that says something x plus something y equals something. Two categories of things adding up to something else. Now we need to decide, we're talking about soup and bread here, which one's going to be x and which one's going to be y. Let's decide as a group. Which one do you want to be x, soup or bread? Soup's going to be x, and bread's going to be y. Now, if you decided to flip those around, that's okay. Just make sure that you give the correct answer when you write out your sentence at the end. So we're going to write an equation for Khalil. I'm going to help you through Khalil's equation, and then I'll let you do Rhonda's. Khalil bought 4 cans of soup. 4 cans of soup, and soup was x, so I'm going to have 4x, so 4 times the price of soup. And he brought 3 loaves of bread, so 3 times the price of a loaf of bread. And his total amount that he spent was $11.67. You go ahead and write an equation for Rhonda, and then decide which of our 3 methods are you going to use to solve this. Are we going to use equal values? Are we going to use substitution? Or are we going to use elimination? All right, and then go ahead and solve it. Make sure at the end that you write out a sentence that says soup costs something per can and bread costs something per loaf. So make sure you're writing a sentence at the end for your final answer. Okay. If you need more space for that, just do some work on scratch paper and then bring that with you. I think the rest of these should be pretty straightforward, but let me know if you have any questions. I'll let you guys get to work. All right, thank you.